Chinese fighter jets are surrounding Philippine aircrafts and have sent over 28 challenging radio signals. A lot of people linked this over to me, so I am excited to check it out, see what's going on. Come join me, please. Let's go.
Sa update sa patuloy na tensyon sa West Philippine Sea kahapon habang papalapit ang mga tauhan ng Philippine Coast Guard at BFAR sakay ng isang aircraft, abay 28 radio challenge agad ang natanggap nito mula sa
I don't know why the caption says 28-year-old. It was 28 radio challenges was
isang barkong
received.
pandigma ng China habang isang fighter jets pa ng China ang umaligid sa aircraft ng BFAR. Alamin ang buong detalye mamaya. At habang padami ng padami ang mga nabubwisit kay Senator Marcoleta sa isang interview ay muli na naman itong ipinaglaban ang kanyang mga nalalaman kaugnay sa issue sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya't para malaman ang buong detalye ay tumutok at makinig na mabuti.
John Reps.
Ang Philippine Coast Guard sa pakikipagtulungan ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources ay nagsagawa ng isang routine maritime domain awareness flight sa ibabaw ng Baho de Masinloc kahapon gamit ang isang sasakyang panghimpapawid ng BFAR. At bandang alas 10 ng umaga kahapon habang ang sasakyang panghimpapawid ay papalapit sa layong 81 nautical miles hilagang silangan ng Baho de Masinloc, abay nakatanggap ito ng 28 radio challenge mula sa People's Liberation Army Navy vessels na may hull number na 553.
What do you think is the point of this, by the way? I mean, honestly, if I were to take my best guess for some situation like this, I would assume that they're doing it as a tactic to remind the Philippines that, hey, we're not just allowing you to, this is going to be stupid when I say it, but that's the point. It's supposed to be stupid because this is like their ideology where it goes, hey, I just want to let you guys know that even though this is your jurisdiction, we're still going to try and take it and let you know that we're here. The funniest part is everything that China has been doing so far with the Philippines, whether it be bullying, harassing, sending challenging things, attacking the fishermen, all of it, this is factually true, all of it has not been the Philippines doing anything. All of it has not been the Philippines inciting something or like trying to intimidate or trying to do something. It's always been the Philippines just minding their business in an area that they're allowed and quite literally legally allowed to do because it's their land, their place, their island, right? And then China's like, no, this is mine. What kind of child's play is this? And that's the thing is like, you start getting involved with like almost children in a sense in a place like this. That's the biggest problem is they're unpredictable. And that can be so scary because the Philippines minding their business in this sense just gets 28 radio, challenging calls. Just because they were trying to do their thing where they're checking around as usual, they're doing the nightly routine, and then that happens. Man, like I can't even imagine right now for the Philippines if I was like in a fighter jet or something, just get that. I'm just gonna be like, dude, seriously, bro. I'm just trying to like do my job.
Professional namang tumugon ng mga tripulante ng Pilipinas sa bawat hamon na iginigiit na ang rutinang paglipad ng MDA ay sinasagawa ng naaayon sa international na batas. At makalipas ang 30 minuto ay dumating na ang aircraft ng BFAR sa ibabaw ng Baho de Masinloc at nagsagawa ng mga circling maneuver sa layong humigit kumulang 6,000 na talampakan. At sa pagpapatrolya ay naobserbahan ng mga tripulante ang isang hindi kilalang fighter jets humigit kumulang 1.79 nautical miles sa kanluran ng Baho de Masinloc.
Just circling them. Again, great job recording. That's another thing. The Filipinos are smart in this sense where they're recording this instance. This isn't just talk, right? This is them filming it like, look, there they are again. They're circling us like sharks. Like we're some sort of animals that they're preying upon. Like this is the thing that I don't like. It's like it's not necessary, but they do it anyways. So the Filipinos are smart for recording, like, bro.
Nakita rin ng BFAR at Philippine Coast Guard ang dalawang lumulutang na boya ng China. Ang isa ay nasa loob ng lagoon habang ang isa naman ay nakalagay humigit kumulang 2 nautical miles hilagang kanluran ng Baho de Masinloc. Pero ang Philippine Coast Guard at BFAR ay nagpatuloy lang sa pagsasagawa ng regular at legal na mga pagpapatrolya sa karagatan upang matiyak ang kaligtasan at seguridad ng mga mangingisdang Pilipino at upang igiit ang soberanya, mga karapatan sa soberanya at jurisdiction sa karagatan ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. At sa ibang balita naman mga kabayan, habang padami na ang mga nabubwisit kay Senator Marcoleta, sa isang interview ay muli na naman itong ipinaglaban ang kanyang mga nalalaman kaugnay sa issue sa West Philippine Sea.
Ang pagpapaliwanag na ito ay dedicated po sa ating mga kababayan na talagang ang gusto nila ay maunawaan kung alin ang totoo. Nang dahil sa iringan na yan at patutsadahan na yan, baka nga lumaki yan. Eh kung magkagyera tayo, kayo unang haharap.
Ayun nga.
Kaya kailangan din maintindihan ninyo ang mga issue sa likod ng mga usaping ito.
Opo.
Di ba? Nagkakaroon lang tayo ng problema kasi may mga nagsasabi na yung lawak ng ating exclusive economic zone, yun na rin ang ating West Philippine Sea. Hindi po yun.
Magkaiba pala yun.
Sabi ko, kinakailangan nating madistinggi ano ba talaga yung lawak ng West Philippine Sea. Dito kami hindi magkaintindihan. Hindi ko malaman kung ba't ako pa ang pinatututsadahan nila na hindi ko naiintindihan na sinasabi ko. Samantalang sila mismo, hindi nila maintindihan ang kanilang pinagmumulan. Sinasabi ko raw, naghahanap daw ako ng coordinates ng exclusive economic zone. Hindi naman yun ang sinasabi ko eh. Ang sinasabi ko, yung arbitral tribunal, ang kanyang dinesisyonan, exclusive economic zone. Hindi niya dinesisyonan ang West Philippine Sea. Dahil wala siyang karapatang gawin yun. Walang kapangyarihan ng tribunal na magpasya tungkol dyan.
Basta tubig lang.
Tubig lang ako. Ngayon, yung sinasabi nating Kalayaan Island Groups, mga land features.
All I'm gonna say is, what do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? Genuinely, I'm super curious because this is definitely one of those moments where you're looking at it and you're just I'm confused. Like, it can't only just apply to them when it's, I'm gonna get something in return, or I'm gonna get some look from China in a way that, they're gonna be okay with me if I say this or say that. It's not just about that, right? Because at the end of the day, all of us being humans, there's laws. I've mentioned this before, and a lot of you guys say the same. There's laws for a reason, and this part in this territory or this thing is there for a reason, so we don't act like animals. There's a reason for these laws, and there's a reason that China is disobeying these laws. Do with what you will. I need you guys to let me know what you think of this.
Hindi natin pwedeng isama doon sa ating petisyon na ginawa sa tribunal noong 2012. Kung atin yun o hindi, re-rejecting ka, sabi niya, wala akong jurisdiction dyan. O kaya, sinasabi nila, narinig mo naman, pa nakikipagdebate sa akin, ba't natin binabalik-balikan kanya eh? In-award na sa atin kanya yung West Philippine Sea. Hindi po. Hindi totoo yun. Walang award doon. Walang award. Ang pinag-uusapan lang sa arbitral award, exclusive economic zone. Hindi West Philippine Sea. Kaya kapag hinanapan mo sila ng coordinates, ayaw nilang kanya may coordinates na yung EEZ. Hindi EEZ yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, West Philippine Sea. Yung Ayungin.
Ayungin Shoal.
Ayungin Shoal, di ba? Ano din natin yun eh.
Sako pa rin natin.
Sako pa rin natin yun. Kasi meron tayong barko na nakahimpil doon. Inangkor natin yung Gregorio del Pilar yata yun.
Hindi ba yung Sierra Madre?
Hindi ko alam kung nakalimutan. Sierra Madre yata. Sierra Madre. Basta meron tayong isang lumang
barko. BRP Sierra Madre.
Tama. BRP Sierra Madre na parang symbolic on our part, nilagay natin doon. Parang isang natatanging testimonial na, occupied namin ito. Yan ngayon ang pinagmumulan ng hindi pagkakaunamaan. Yung mga features. Bakit? Wala namang ruling kasi yung tribunal dahil nga wala siyang karapatang mag-rule. Sana sinabi niya sa China, Gayong inalis ko na kaya yung 9 dash line dyan. Malinaw na yung EEC na yan sa Pilipinas. Umalis ka na dyan. Umalis ka dyan, ha? Umalis ka sa Ayungin, umalis ka sa Scarborough Shoal, umalis ka dyan sa Mischief Reef.
Walang ganun.
Walang ruling. Kasi bakit ka mo? Teritoryo yun eh. Land features.
Opo.
Land features. Yun ang nagiging problema. Baho de Masinloc. Baho de Masinloc is a rock.
Base dun sa arbitral ruling naman. No?
Dahil sa rock siya, meron siyang territorial sea.
12 nautical miles.
12 nautical miles.
Sa palibot.
So, pwede niyang ihimpil yung mga barko niya doon. Actually, ang pinasya lang ng tribunal, kung ano yung hiningi natin. Isa lang ang hiningi natin.
Ano po yun?
Tingnan po ninyo yung 9 dash line ng China kanya, sinakop pati ng aming west. Pati po yung aming exclusive economic zone.
Ayun, yung 9
Yun lamang. Wala nang iba. Hindi naman pinasyahan ng tribunal. China, umalis ka dyan sa mga teritoryo. Kasi hindi niya jurisdiction yun.
Na-occupy
Yun ang nananatili
na problema.
na problema natin.
Opo.
Na dapat sana pinag-uusapan, hindi yung patot sa dahan.
Wow. Just wow. All I can tell you right now, guys, is I want to hear your thoughts about this. What are your genuine thoughts on this? I shared a little bit of what I thought, and all I can tell you is there is many things going on between China, especially even with the U.S., with so many other places, and this Philippines Sea situation is going to affect the U.S. and a lot of the world, majority of the world. So that's another thing. So I want to hear your thoughts. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I love you guys. Thank you for linking this over. And yeah, till next time, peace. How good you been living? Wait, how good you been living? I've been living too good for you. I've been living too. Did what I did and I do it again. Every move that I make, I ain't feeling repent. Nobody believes to believe it's a friend, and you question your moves like you really won't end.